Today is October 16th, the first day of this van life journey. I am driving to my first date on this very long road trip. So let's head out. I've made it to my first state, Delaware. Coincidentally, Delaware is also the first state to join the US. It was the first one to basically accept the Constitution, so fun fact. I'm in Wilmington, which is the largest city in this very small state, and I'm gonna be walking up and down the riverfront. Getting over my fear. After visiting the riverfront, I went to Brandywine Park where I walked a little bit, I relaxed, I made myself a little lunch. After that, I went to the gym, I got a little workout in, I showered. I'm about to head to bed, but I think it's going to become very clear in the rest of the video that I'm not really doing much in Delaware because there isn't really much to do, which might sound bad, but honestly I'm pretty grateful for it because it is my first week of van life and I am getting adjusted to the lifestyle, so I am glad that there isn't too much to do. Like, that's overwhelming me. I have to say my first day went pretty well and I'm excited to see where the rest of the week goes. Now I'm heading down to the south of Delaware. I am going to Cape Henlopen State Park. So the only other time I've been to Delaware has been kind of this area. I'm in Cape Henlopen State Park, but this is right outside a little beach town called Lowe's, and that is where I went with my friend many years ago. So I've already been to 23 US states and a few national parks, but I really want to stay true to the whole go to all 50 states and all national parks during van life. So even though I've been to some of these states, I will be revisiting and just seeing some things I haven't before. Don't judge me for eating literally really unhealthy food right now because, again, still getting used to van life. I do want to get better with cooking real food, eating healthier, so that will be coming, but not yet. I think this is the most I can fill it. Oh, yeah, it's too heavy otherwise. I'm having a little admin day, so I'm spending some time at the Lewis Public Library, just charging my things, getting some work done. And basically for the rest of the week, I'm gonna be at Delaware's beaches. In a few hours, I'm gonna head down to Rehoboth. Let's go watch the sunrise. Oh, I feel like it was too much. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Obsessed, obsessed, obsessed. Are you at the way? Oh my gosh, I'm so good at this. Perfect not water. So I just wanted to talk really quickly about how I've been finding places to sleep at night. If you've looked into van life at all, you've probably heard of the app iOverlander. It is an app that, you know, a lot of van lifers and RV dwellers use to recommend spots to other people. So far it's been working pretty well. Night 1, I slept in a rest area. Night 2, I slept in a state park. Last night I slept like on a random street. Tonight I'm doing the same thing. I do have the added bonus of being in a minivan, which is way, you know, it draws less attention. So yeah, I can sleep in peace. Use it with caution and don't make it so obvious that you're sleeping in your car because, you know, just for safety reasons, but also you don't want to bother others. You don't want others bothering you. So yeah. And that concludes my time in Delaware. I promise things will get more exciting very soon. I'm headed to my next state on this journey today, so stay tuned for that in my next video. Bye.